Now let's talk about how to solve a problem that asks us to select the greatest value using order of operations. The question says, which of the following has the greatest value, and then gives us 4 choices. In order to do this, we're going to need to remember our order of operations. We're going to start with parentheses, then we're going to do multiplication and division together, moving left to right. Then we're going to do addition and subtraction together, moving left to right. So we have 3 basic steps. 1 is the parentheses, 2 is multiplication and division, and 3 is addition and subtraction. So let's go through each of our options and see which one has the greatest value. Here, 566 plus 58 times 34 means that we're going to start first with multiplication. We don't have any parentheses, so we move right on to our second step of multiplication and division. Now, 58 times 34 is equal to 1,972. And then if we add to that our 566, we end up with a total of 2,538. Now let's look at our second option. Here we have 566 times, in parentheses, 58 plus 34. Here we're going to start with our first step of parentheses and add 58 plus 34. This gives us 92, which we're going to multiply by 566. This gives us a total of 5,272. Our third option is 566 times 58 plus 34. Here again we don't have any parentheses, so we're going to skip to our second step of multiplication. 566 times 58 is 32828, and we're going to add 34 to that, which is going to give us a grand total of 32,862. And we're going to move on to our fourth option. Here we have, in parentheses, 566 plus 58 times 34. So we're going to start with our first step of parentheses, which means we're going to add first, and we're going to get 624, which we're then going to multiply by 34. This will give us a total of 21,216. Now that we have all our totals, we're simply looking for the greatest value, or the highest number. 52,072 is our highest number, so the expression with the greatest value was B, 566 times, in parentheses, 58 plus 34.